Have you ever wondered if our universe is the only one? What if there are countless other universes, each with their own laws of physics, their own galaxies, and maybe even their own versions of us? The idea of a multiverse, a collection of multiple universes, is a concept that has fascinated scientists and philosophers for years. But what exactly is a multiverse, and why do scientists think it might exist? To understand the multiverse, we need to start with our own universe. According to the Big Bang Theory, our universe began as a singularity, point of infinite density, and has been expanding ever since. But some theories suggest that this expansion might not be unique to our universe. There are several different theories about what a multiverse might look like. One of the most popular is the idea of bubble universes. Imagine our universe as a bubble in a vast cosmic foam, with other bubbles representing other universes. These universes might have different physical laws or constants, making them drastically different from our own. Another theory is the concept of parallel universes, or the many worlds interpretation of quantum mechanics. According to this idea, every time a decision is made, the universe splits, creating a new universe for each possible outcome. In one universe, you might choose to take a walk, while in another, you stay at home. These parallel universes would exist alongside ours. We'd never be able to interact with them. But is there any evidence for the existence of other universes? The short answer is not yet. The multiverse is still a theoretical concept, and proving its existence is incredibly challenging. Our current technology and understanding of physics might not be enough to detect other universes. They even exist. However, some scientists believe that evidence might be found in the cosmic microwave background radiation, the afterglow of the Big Bang. Tiny anomalies in this radiation could be a hint of other universes interacting with ours. Others suggest that gravitational waves could offer clues, revealing the imprints of other universes on our own. If other universes do exist, what does that mean for us? The idea of a multiverse challenges our understanding of reality and our place in it. Are we just one of many versions of ourselves? Is our universe just one of countless others, each with its own unique story? Throughout history, different cultures have imagined the cosmos in various ways. From the idea of multiple heavens in ancient religions to the concept of infinite worlds in philosophy, the multiverse taps into a deep human curiosity about the unknown. So what's next for the study of the multiverse? As our technology advances, we may develop new ways to test these theories and possibly even find evidence of other universes. Until then, the multiverse remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of modern science. So what's next for the study of the multiverse? As our technology advances, we may develop new ways to test these theories and possibly even find evidence of other universes. Until then, the multiverse remains one of the most intriguing mysteries of modern science. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the possibilities of the multiverse. Keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, our universe might be just the beginning.